Hello and welcome to today's question. Let us simplify the question we have on the board. So we have 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 raised to power 12 is equal to what? Now, let us start by representing 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 as x. So now, x is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and then we have x raised to power 12, okay, is equal to what? So now let's work with this one. If we cross multiply, we have 2x equals 1 plus square root of 5. And if we move 1 over to the left hand side, we have 2x minus 1 equals the square root of 5. So to get rid of the square root, we need to square both sides. Okay, so that cancels out, and then we have 2x minus 1 squared equals 5. We know that a minus b all squared is the same thing as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, so let's apply this formula to what we have on the left hand side. Left hand side, the a is equal to 2x and the b is equal to 1. So we have 2x squared plus 1 squared minus 2 times 2x times 1, and that's equal to 5. So 2x squared will give us 4x squared plus 1 minus 2 times 2 times 2x times 1 will give us 4x equals 5. So this 5 can come over to the left hand side, and we have 4x squared minus 4x, and minus plus 1 minus 5 will give us minus 4. Okay, so that's 4x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals 0. We can simplify this if we divide both left and right sides by 4. So they just cancel out, and we have 0 over 4 is the same thing as 0. So we have x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. If you like, you can just collect the like terms, which is 4 into brackets x squared minus x minus 1 divided by 4, and then you can still cancel out. All right, so now we have x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. So now x squared, if we move x and minus 1 to the right hand side, we have x plus 1. Okay, so now x squared is equal to x plus 1. Now we know also that our x, we have x raised to power 12 as well. Let's take a look again. X raised to power 12. Okay, so now x squared is x plus 1. So now let's take a look at x raised to power 12. X raised to power 12 is the same thing as x raised to power 2 times 6. From the fact that we know that a raised to power mn is the same thing as a raised to power mn as well. So okay, so now x squared raised to x raised to power 2 times 6, but we know that x squared is x plus 1, right? So x squared is equal to x plus 1. So let's plug that in. So we have x plus 1 raised to power 6. Now 6 is the same thing as, let's rewrite that power as well. So we can do x plus 1 squared cubed. Okay, so x plus 1 is the same thing as, it can be in the form of a plus b squared. Okay, x plus 1 squared can be in the form of a plus b squared. And a plus b squared is the same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So in this form, a is x and the b is 1. So now what we have is x squared plus 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times x. Okay, all cubed, right? So this now becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1 all cubed. What did we say our x squared is? Our x squared is x plus 1. So x squared is equal to x plus 1. So now we'll plug that in there. So we have x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 raised to the power 3. Okay, so 2x plus x will give us 3x. 1 plus 1 will give us 2 raised to the power 3. So now we have 3x plus 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, so how do we simplify this further? We can rewrite this in this form. So let's say a raised to the power 3 can be in the form of a squared dot a raised to the power 1. That way, since we have the same base, we can add the powers. So this makes sense. So let's rewrite this. So this becomes 3x plus 2 squared times 3x plus 2 as well. Okay. Now, we know what a plus b squared is. A plus b squared is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Our a is 3x and our b is 2. So now we have 3x squared plus 2 squared plus 2 3x. Our b is 2. All that multiplied by 3x plus 2. Okay. So now 3x squared will give us 9x squared plus 2 squared is 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4 times 3x will give us 12x. Okay. Times 3x plus 2. We remember again that our x squared is the same thing as x plus 1. So let's plug that in. So now we have 9 into x plus 1 plus 12x plus 4 into 3x plus 2. Right. So let's open the brackets. We have 9x plus 9 plus 12x plus 4 times 3x plus 2. 9x plus 12x, that will give us 21x plus 9 plus 4 will give us 13, and that's times 3x plus 2. Right, so if we multiply through, we have 21 times 3 will give us 63 x squared plus 21 times 2 will give us 42x plus 13 times 3 will give us 39x plus 13 times 2 will give us 26. Okay, and again our x squared is x plus 1. So let's plug that in. So we have 63 x plus 1 plus 42 plus 39 will give us 9 plus 2 is 11. 4 plus 3 is 7, 8, 81x plus 26. So now we have 63x plus 63 plus 81x plus 26. So 63x plus 81x will give us this 4 144x plus 63 plus 26 will give us 989. Now, we said our x is equal to what? 1 plus root of 5 divided by 2. That's all the way at the top, our value of x. This is our value of x right here. X is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So now we're going to plug that value into x, so we can just simplify further, right? So now we have 144 times 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 plus 89. Okay, 2 here is 1, 2 here will give us 72. So we have 72, 1 plus root 5 plus 89. So 72 times 1, that's 72, plus 72 root 5 plus 89. So if we add these up, that's 1. That's another 1. So 161 plus 72 root 5. And I don't think we can simplify this any further. So this is our final answer. So go through the steps and familiarize yourself with how to solve questions like this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching again today. I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.